Hello everyone. Today we see about risk-based testing. Introduction. Joan Hobart, Sony Mobile, 10 years, tester, test team leader, test architect. This is a presentation of my experience of risk-based testing. Definition. Risk-based testing is a type of software testing that prioritizes the testers of futures and functions based on the risk of their failure. A functions of their importance and likelihood or impact of failure. The devil is in the details. Refers to catch or mysterious element hidden in the details. Derives from God is in the details. Generally attributed to Gustave Flaubert. It is easy to ask for efficient, risk-based testing. It is much more difficult to actually do it well. Changes in the system. There is changes introduced somewhere in the system. Could be a bug fix, a change request, a new feature, refactoring, etc. Scope selection. Do you run every available test on every possible configuration of the system and verify all interoperability? A smart scope is necessary to make it containable. We must be able to reuse test results between products, configuration, and branches. Complex less complicated. Complicated. Opposite of simple. Containing intricately combined or involved parts. Complex. Opposite of predictable. This adjective means having parts so interconnected as to make the whole perplexing. Complex system. A complex system is difficult to predict. It is therefore difficult to plan which actions to take to mitigate different outcomes. It is difficult to plan which test to run to cover all potentially relevant defects. Reduce complexity. Risk analysis, automated test framework, early exploratory testing, risk analysis, risk model diagram. Risk analysis database. If each function performs risk analysis on the components and enters risk in a database, this information could be used on system level to get better understanding of impact of specific changes. It requires a uniform way of handling risk information. Self-learning system. Over time, you will have more and more information about how different changes impact the system. Map code changes to fail test. This impact map can further help you set an efficient scope. Continuous integration. The more code changes we have and the more isolated these code changes are, the easier it is to create the impact map. If you only have one integration per month with thousands of lines of code changed in different parts of the system, it will be difficult to draw a conclusion. Manual dependency map. After each exploratory session, it is possible to add information to a dependency map where you indicate which changes were made and what impact those changes had. It needs to be done in a way which is quick and easy, otherwise, it will not be done at all. Conclusion. It is very difficult to perform risk-based testing for a large, complex system. It is very easy to ask someone else to reduce their test scope by introducing risk-based testing. Thank you.